How to fix YouTube showing the wrong language? Here's how to change it. First, open YouTube in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the page to open the account menu. In the menu, look for the language option. If your YouTube is in another language, you'll see a globe or translation icon next to it, making it easier to identify. Click Language to open the list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. As soon as you click your preferred language, YouTube will automatically refresh, and the interface will switch to the selected language. If the language doesn't change immediately, simply refresh the page or reopen YouTube. That's it. You've successfully changed YouTube to your preferred language. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy YouTube tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.